Hi, so I'm filming this video to commemorate, basta ganyan, to commemorate this journal. So this journal is thick. It's really thick. It has gone thick ever since I got it. So, nakalagay sa unahan niya, it's keep on going, never give up. I really need that quote right now. Um, Naubos ko na yung pages niya up to the last bit. As in, like, you can see that I've already written dun sa mismo parang pinaka-last na page. Tapos, sira na din yung ano niya, spine niya. Tapos, meron siyang parang foam thingy. But, this journal, sa unahan, got the property of my name, Maybelline, and then some contact information sa baba. As if I'm gonna lost this. Hindi naman. Tapos sa first page, I have this burn the boat challenge na hindi naman talaga nagawa. Oh my gosh, it speaks so much about my accountability. So, itong journal na to, it's parang 99 pesos lang siya sa shop. Tapos, since December 12, 2023 siya. Yun yung first entry dito. December 12, 2023 up to September 19, 2025. So, it's like almost 2 years na din. Magka 2 years ko na siya nagamit bago siya mapuno. So, this is such a huge accomplishment in my part. Kasi, girl, wala lang. Accomplishment lang siya. So, I'm gonna show you guys what the pages of this journal looks like. So, iisa-isahin ko siya and I will also get some, close-up videos about this. Like, yung mga favorite pages or just, random things. Okay, so sa first few pages, we have this like to-do list, some stickers that I got. Sa senior high school pa nag-aaral yung kapatid ko. Mali, sa science high school pa. Okay, so, oh my gosh, hindi siya kita. Just gonna cut that. You can see, mahilig akong mag-ganyan, mag-drawing sa unang part. So, this is like nangaroling kami. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. And then, got this. I don't want you guys to know my thoughts. Oh, 2024 na agad. A year to remember. Definitely. It's definitely a year to remember. So, this is my first attempt to junk journal. It's just like a bunch of crafts and things from my friends. From Isa, tapos kay Isa din ata to. Then yes. Then we have this lovely page. Super cute. It's like still one of the most super cute niya. It's still one So this is easily one of the most favorite journal spread in this journal. It's got pet shop and then yung anniversary message ng aking boyfriend. Okay, that's just for my eyes only. Then I got this Hope from Pen Shop. Ayun, parang I really love this spread kasi it's super cohesive when it comes to the design, and of course it came from my boyfriend, so yes, super cute. Work on your dreams, hope for the better. Yes, girl. So a glimpse of this. Oh my gosh, don't mind this one. Gamit, ay ano to, binigay ng staff sa Sogo Junior sa Alabang. Namigay lang sila random. Nabigyan. Pero di naman ginamit. Okay, ang pera. Anyway, so yan, may mga sleep tracker tayo, and most of the time, talagang not tracked yan. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite part of the day. Part of the day? Part of the month. Itong mga journal bulletin. I promise you guys, magiging better yung design niyan. Later, yes. So yan, may mga songs, may mga goals. Oh my gosh, hindi naman nagagawa. Cute niyan, Go Merigen. Tapos, of course, we got Matt Notice. Yeah. Wala akong nabasang book. Ano ba yan? Try lang. So, yeah. What is this one? Parang ano lang. Random text. Okay na yun. Di ko naman to JF. Galing kay Fiona. Nung Valentine's. Let's give a round of applause for my March journal cover. It's super cute. I don't know if you can see it properly. Ganyan. Diba? It's got some bubbles. I told you guys, it's getting better. Pero it's not the best one. May kita niyo mamaya yung best one. So yan, meron tayong bulletin, board goals, yours, may songs, versus de placer. Oh my god, I love. Yan. Monthly highlights. Ay, hindi ko to nagawa. Notes. Hindi ko din to nagawa. Okay, so yan. Super cute. Let's have a big. Oh my gosh, I love this color combination. Things. Ayan, still. Meron pa rin mga not tracked. Pero, nag-improve na ako. Natatrack ko na siya. And, ang average ko talaga na tulog is 12 a.m. Average gising, 8 a.m. or 9. I remember this one. Look. It means napaso ako kahit na ang pangit ng drawing ko. Napaso yung kamay ko dahil sa naglalagablab. Cherries burning hot. Okay, another one of the pages. Okay, this one. Ginawa ko to nung nasa Alabang Public Market kami. Tapos parang pinapakinggan ko yung mga sounds and tinatry ko alalahanin lahat ng mga nakikita ko. Ganyan. Ito yung mga so far nakita. Ito parang air ventilation to. Yan. Ito si ate, naalala ko ang kwento dito is parang same lang yung tono ng boses niya habang nagsasalita niya. As in, like, paulit-ulit na sinasabi, same na words, parang may script siya, tapos same yung tono every time sasabihin niya. So, yan. Mga pangalan ng mga, mga pangalan ng mga store. Honeybee. I don't know what that is. So, yan. May story yan. Bakit? Ganyan yung parang super gulo. Kasi, yung sa market, magulo yung yung sounds. It's like overwhelming. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam paano to. Excuse ganda. Achoo. Nakatawa. So, yeah. Another faded receipt. So, di na ako naglagay ulit. Ooh, this one. It's super cute. Parang random notes. So, galing to sa... Saan ba ito galing? Kay nila. Ewan ko. Kasi yan parang mga topic suggestion. Okay. And for our April spread, we got this like orange lemonade theme. Ang pangit. Pangit ng drawing nito. Pero ito lang tingnan nyo. Yan lang. Pero yun lang. Ang corny nito. Ano ba yun? Joke lang. Yaman. Oh my gosh. This one, parang mas better pa yung bulletin board ko kaysa sa actual na cover. Pero super cute. It's super fun. Don't set yourself on fire to keep others warm. Wow! Super cute. Alright. You know, cute. I wish yung roses. Gumawa pa ng parang maliit na roses. I love it. Yes. Cute naman. Diba? Nut track na naman. Hindi nawawala sa ano ko yan. Sleep tracker. Okay, nag-skip ako guys. Hindi ko nagawa yung May spread ko. Wala akong May bullet journal. Super ironic kasi ano ko yun eh. Birth month ko yun. Tapos wala akong May. Anyways, this is one of my best works. As in, 1, 2, 3, are you ready? Oh my gosh! Pinost ko to sa Instagram. Look at that. Ganda. Diba? So, I took inspiration sa Pinterest dun sa layout. And then, the rest is, ayun, parang pinagsama-sama ko lang. It's green and it's June. This one, super cute. Ang cute, diba? Sobrang cute. Tapos ang ganda nito. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa nito. I love it. Let's see. Meron akong bulletin board. Pero hindi siya super ganda. Yun lang. Magic happens when you start. If I were official, cute. Cute naman ito. Pero siyang Nora Honor. Meron siyang ano. Yan. Diba? Nut-track na naman si ate. Pagpadulo na, tinatamad na ako mag-track. This one. The story of this one is, ito yung bagong ano namin, screen. Bagong screen sa aming computer. Tara! Hindi ko pa ito napopost. Pero, bala ko siyang i-post ulit. Kasi, this one deserves a genuine love. Ano daw? Ang ganda, diba? Super cute ng pagkaka-pink. Tapos, super proud ako sa pagkakagawa ko ng parang strawberry shortcake na cake. Ang cute niya, diba? Dumi ng ko. Yum. Yung mo na napansin. It's my candle, and then we got some lollipop. Parang very bagay ito sa Valentine's. Pero I don't know kung bakit sa July ko siya nagawa. Ang ganda, te. Wow. I love this. And this is the bulletin board. Super cute. Manila Dreams. Alamat mentioned. And we have coat, of course. Everything works out for me. Okay, diba? Parang very strawberry yung atake. Okay, and then nut track again. Grabe naman ako. Oh my gosh, October. I tried to make like a pattern dito sa taas, pero it failed. Pangit. Okay. Cute naman ito. For November spread, we have this. Super cute. Simple lang. Yan, parang, ewan ko kasi yun. Parang kulang pa siya, diba? Pero, nasa ano siya, direction na siya ng pagiging maganda. Wala akong bulletin dito. Wala kasi akong goals. Actually, this biglang December na agad. Wala na. Hindi na nakapagawa ng December school. Okay, yan. Tapos, palagi dito is, got this. Open this on December 31, 2025. Actually, malapit na yan. So, for our 2025, yan. Ayan. Simple lang. Hindi ko pinabonggahan kapag mga year yung dito. Okay, so, yan. isa din to sa mga favorite journal spread. Yan, galing ulit sa aking boyfriend. Yan. Galing sa packaging ng Mikado. And may letter siya ulit. Just like yung sa pen shop. Super cute, aesthetically pleasing. Oh, yan. Dalawang journal spread in a row na favorite ko. Ito, galing to sa mga drawing namin sa subject na General Zoology. Zoology. Yan, we got some lungs, tas may worms. I love how chaotic this journal spread is. Yan, may mga color swatches, nod saan. This one, itong dalawa, saka itong 45. Actually, 45 minutes yung sa likod niya. Itong tatlo na to are actually from cue cards ng aming interview sa subject na field methods. So, yun yung mga ginamit namin, cue cards. Tapos, inano ko siya, nilagay ko dito. Kasi I don't know. I really love how chaotic this thing looks. Pero, somehow works, diba? And, gusto ko yung mga pagkaka-drawing ka dito. Magaling ako manggaya okay. Wow! So, ito naman, yan, parang inspired sa Clyde's. First time ko makakain ng Clyde's kasi nagkaroon ng branch dito sa Festival Mall. So, yan, Clyde's, Dragon Pastries. Nilagay ko dito yung kay Kate. Actually, kasabayan nito yung yung kanina, yung nasa unahan na journal spread ni Isa. Pero ngayon ko lang siya nilagay kasi I don't know. Sabi natin nito kay Kate din. So ito, hindi sa akin yan guys. Kay kay Lola Gloria. Sa lola ko, sa father's side. Nilagay ko na lang kasi I love it. Super cute. Sana soon meron akong mga journal thingies, journal stuff na parang airplane related. Hopefully soon. So yan. To, ticket naman to. Si Yeng at ang henerasyon ng pag-ibig. Wow. Nanood ata kami. Hindi ko na maalala siya. Second anniversary, wala na kasi ako wala kaming masyadong nakuhang journal items. So, ganyan lang siya. Ito, hindi ko alam kung saan ito nakuha. Basta parang sa furniture shop sa festival. So, ito, yun, second anniversary. Ito galing sa paper bag na lagayan. Diba? Galing sa aking boyfriend. So, yun lang. Kasi, puro pagkain yung ginawa namin. Another favorite journal spread. This is like themed purple, very purplish. Cute, diba? Itong Caliruega, galing yan sa Caliruega. Pumunta kami ng Caliruega sa may Tagaytay ba yun? Yan. Tapos ito, Grand Zalubong. Galing mismo to sa psych department. Tapos itong Human Bingo, galing naman to sa isa naming activity sa school. Hindi ko na maalala kung kanino mga permits. Yan, another day, another sleigh, bricks, be kind to your mind. Kasi ito, cute naman ito. Parang kinain natin namin. Tapos nilinis ko yun para hindi lang gano'n. Kuromi, yun lang. Super cute, diba? Okay, wala siyang gana gumawa ng April journal. Golden April, yun lang yung gawa. Was an improvement. Last year, hindi. Nung 2023, hindi ako gumawa ng May journal spread. Pero meron ako nung 2025. Basta ganyan. So, yan. Nakita ko lang to sa Pinterest siya. Ano yun? Ba't may dikit? Hindi ko alam. Happy Habits, wala naman. Hindi naman gumawa. Oh, cutie. Yan, another one of the messy pages, pero it still works. Wow. This one, hindi siya nag-fade. Yan. We got my friends. Super cute. Oh, sa Arevalo. May gano kami. Swimming. Kokopan. June. Ang pangit naman. Wala pa rin makakaparo dun sa isang June. Oh my God. Ay. Karni naman. Wow, super cute. Underwhelming August. Pero ang cute ng bulletin niya. Diba? Yan o. Oh, ganun siya. Galing to sa Shakey's. And this one sa Bulgogi. Yun lang. Bumawi siya sa September. Ganda naman. Cute din yung bulletin. Still ongoing. So after all of that, yun na, that wraps up my journal walkthrough. Yun bang tawag ko? Yeah. Journal walkthrough. Yes. This service, such a good time. And yeah, almost 3 years ko siyang nagamit bago ko maupas. Pero yun, this is another journey. So I will keep this one and we're up in the new chapter, literally. So yeah, ito, ang bago kong journal. Manipis lang siya, pero siguro kakapal na kapag ano na. Kapag nadadagdagan ng mga journal spreads. Yan din, same na formats. Dun sa dati. Yan, may mga contact information, such. And yan, konti ko lang. Pero ito yung first page. Tada, ang cute, diba? Ewan ko ako lang. Pero yan, ito, meron akong doodle dito. Lagay, hi, it's me. It's mga book. What is this one? Journal. This is journal. So yan, how do you write? Like it's like you're running out of time. Hamilton reference. And then books, of course. Bamboo. Ewan ko, bakit ko nilagyan ng bamboo? It's nakalagay, how to be calm. And then, I've got a drawing, a doodle of a wired earphones. Yes. This one resembles exactly my wired earphones. That was P. Yun lang.